Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about what is a M2M communication and what is a IoT and what is the difference between them. So the first question arises, what is a M2M? So M2M means machine to machine communication, or you can say that it is a direct communication between a devices using wire or wireless communication channels. M2M refers to the interaction of two or more devices or the machines that are connected to each other. This devices captures data and share with other connected device, creating an intelligent network of things or a system. So here M2M is the same like a IoT, in which devices are connected with each other via wire or the wireless communication channels. So the work of IoT and M2M is quite similar, but there are some difference between M2M and IoT. So M2M technology could be present in our homes, office, shopping malls and other places. Controlling electrical appliances like a bulb and fans using RF or the Bluetooth from our smartphone is a simple example of M2M application at home. Here the electrical appliances and your smartphones are the two machines interacting with each other. So this kind of application is a M2M application and this is not an IoT. Okay, so in the M2M application we can compare the M2M with the on-premise communication. So this is a group of devices connected at on-premise. Suppose it is like office, we can't access some devices out of that premise, or we can say that suppose I am at an office and I want to access the devices at our home like a fan. So at that time with the M2M I can't able to do this. But in the M2M, if I am at the home and if I want to start a fan with the help of my smartphone, so at that time I can do this. So that is the basic idea of M2M, in which the machine is connected locally. Okay. Second is the IoT. So now we all know that what is the IoT, the multiple devices, things that is connected via internet. But here the main difference between IoT and M2M is like M2M is on-premise communication, where IoT is at the cloud levels. All the data is maintained at the cloud, while in the M2M the data will not maintain at the cloud. So that is why we can't access our devices. So that is why we can only access our devices at the setup location in the M2M. While in the IoT the data is stored at the cloud, so we can access our appliances from anywhere. So IoT, or the Internet of Things, is an evolution of M2M that increases the things the device connectivity can achieve at both a consumer and the enterprise level. IoT takes a basic concept of M2M and expands them outwards by creating a large cloud networks of devices that communicate with one another through a cloud networking platforms. And the basic idea of IoT is derived from M2M, and further in the IoT technology the cloud will be introduced. The technologies used by IoT devices allows users to create a fast, flexible, high performance networks that connects a wide variety of devices. So this is the basic difference, main difference between the M2M and the IoT. So in the M2M is about the direct communication between machines, while IoT is about sensors, automation and internet platform. So we can say that M2M is used when we have a device setup as a locally, but we have devices that is connected via internet and we have a cloud, and that is called the IoT. It supports a point-to-point kind of communication, while in the IoT it supports a cloud communication. In the M2M, device do not necessarily rely on an internet connection because this is a local setup, while in the IoT each and every device rely on the internet connection because we are storing our data over the cloud. M2m is mostly a hardware based technology, while the IoT is both hardware and software based technology. Machines normally communicate with a single machine at a time, while in the IoT many users can access at one time over the internet. And the last one is the device can be connected through a mobile or other network, while in the IoT data delivery depends on the internet protocol network. So this is the main difference between IoT and M2m. So with that we can say that IoT is a very useful concept than the M2m. So this figure shows the basic difference of M2m and IoT. So here you can see that each and every device is connected like point-to-point connection, while in the IoT each and every device like our smartwatch, our vehicles, our smartphone, or everything that is connected via internet, and the data is stored over the cloud, so we can access everything at anywhere. Okay, so this is the main concept of M2m and IoT. So that's it. Thank you so much.